AI agents usually work like isolated assistants. You give the agent a prompt, it works on it, and then it gives you an answer. Hermes Agent Kanban introduces a team structure where specialized agents work together across a shared board. Single agent workflows have a visibility problem. The agent's thinking and process are hidden, so you can't easily see what it has already tried. This lack of visibility makes the workflow fragile. For example, a simple network timeout can break the whole chain of progress and force you to restart from the beginning. Complex work needs oversight. Without a way to inspect the process in real time, it is difficult to trust an autonomous system with multi step business tasks. Standard delegation is usually just a function call to an unnamed subagent. Kanban coordination is different. It uses a reliable task queue and named agent profiles with memory that carries forward. Because the task state is stored outside the agent itself, it can survive reboots, crashes, and agent failures. This layout organizes the team into separate roles, such as researcher, writer, and operations. These are not just temporary scripts, they are full system processes that all interact with a central XQLI database. This shift changes the user's focus. Instead of trying to write the perfect prompt for one agent, you are now managing a specialized team and their shared workload. To handle a goal like writing a launch brief, an orchestrator agent breaks the work down, assigns research tasks to specialists, and creates a dependency link so the writing task only becomes active once the research is confirmed as complete. Tasks move across visible stages instead of being hidden behind a single thinking indicator. They progress through stages like triage, to do, and ready. A running task is actively being worked on. If an agent runs into a missing file, the task moves to blocked, which signals that it needs human input. Turning hidden AI work into standard project management stages creates an audit trail. Autonomous work becomes a series of visible events instead of a hidden process. The visual board is not just a cosmetic overlay. As this diagram shows, the human dashboard and the AI tools read from and write to the exact same Kanban database layer. Both humans and agents are looking at the same system state. The engine driving the board is a dispatcher that runs on a 60-second heartbeat. Every minute, it identifies ready tasks and starts the assigned agent profiles in isolated workspaces, keeping their files and logs separated. Failure is handled through persistent run history. If an agent crashes during 1-1, the system preserves that record. When a retry begins, such as run 3, the agent can read the notes and metadata from the previous attempts so it does not repeat the same mistake. This hierarchy places Kanban at the top of the digital worker stack. It sits above the agent's memory and skills, acting as the coordination layer that manages work over longer periods of time. This persistence allows an agent to pause or crash without losing the context of the job. The task remains in the database, which helps multi-hour workflows finish more reliably. After a 5-minute delay, the agent's response was delayed by 10 minutes. There are clear boundaries to this design. As the technical documentation states, this is a local, single machine architecture. It is designed to manage a group of agents on one machine, not to act as a large cloud-based coordination system. Autonomy works best when human intervention is built into the system in a structured way. This setup ensures that every decision, blocker, and handoff is recorded and visible to the supervisor. Better AI models will improve reasoning, but those models still need a clear structure to be useful in a professional environment. Turning AI into a persistent and understandable system is the step needed to transform a series of prompts into a coordinated workforce you can actually manage. When autonomy is visible, it becomes more reliable. A transparent coordination layer is the bridge between AI as a chatbot and AI as a digital assistant.